Yeah, man. We are live. We are not in a game. Today we're going to try something new. I've never done this before, guys. This is typical stuff playing to viewers. I would usually, when subs want to play, I'll play them. You know what I'm saying? Supporters, members, subs on Twitch. And we've been doing that. And it's fun. But I've never done Guess the ELO. ELO. Do you even know what ELO means? It's not like a... it doesn't stand for anything. It's a guy's name. The guy that invented... His first name was Arpad. Arpad, A-R-P-A-D is his name. Arpad ELO. He's the guy who invented the rating system. And they use it for other things, not only for chess. Okay. Now, this is good. Someone sent me a challenge because I got to get this set to where... There we go. Okay. I've got it set now to where I can see... Someone just challenged me 1 minute unrated. But I can't see their... Oh, wait. Yeah, okay, I see it here. I see it here. Why do they show it in two places? Chess.com. Let me see if I can block it with a post-it note. Because I really actually think it's going to be fun to guess the ELO. And I hope I don't need this real estate that I'm covering up for other things. But we'll do guess the ELO for a while, and then if these things are hindering my computer's ability, then I can just pull them off. Okay, good. I can see that this is troll. I know this is troll. Troll, I can't get your ELO because I just saw it. It's like 600 something, right? Dude, how you doing? Welcome back, troll. Welcome back, guys. We are live. We are hot. And I'm gonna go ahead and take Troll's challenge just to play him, but I can't guess the ELO on this game. Okay. And it just this is a 1 minute game. Okay, I can see I got the clocks. That's good. Dude, this is gonna be fun. And you know what I thought? Because it's gonna be hard to guess the ELO on 1 minute chess. So I think that was a horrible move because I thought he was going to move his knight or play queen. I thought he was going to play queen e2, which is the stock move. It's the fishy move, the stockfish move, man. Tamara, I'll totally play it, man. Send it, but I want to know it's you. And I'm not going to play the Caro-Can. I appreciate the offer. I don't know how to play the Caro-Can. I don't like the Caro-Can. There's nothing in my life that makes me want to play a Caro-Can. Sorry. So yeah, no, not going to do it. But I do play e4. And if you'd like to play the Caro-Can, that would be your choice, right? What do we take with? Did I blunder? I might have blundered, but the thing is, my opponent is so much lower rated than me. He's just losing on time. Troll, good game. Now he can check me, but I'll attack the knight. Yeah, that knight comes. That's probably a pretty good move. So now we have to... What? We bail out? We bail out? Make him take it. Yeah, he was just going to lose on time. That was a good move, though. Troll. Daniel-san, how you doing? Okay, I can't see. Someone just challenged me 1 minute unrated. Oh, how come I... Oh, wait. Do I have to move... I have to move this. Wait. Okay. You gotta see, I got so much junk taped on my screen. The things that Levy does, guys. Who even knows how hard Levy works? Covering up his screen for play to viewers. Guess the ELO. Challenge ready. Well, don't tell me, Daniel. Then, will I? Okay, wait. Did that move? Did that move? I don't understand. Is there an option to not show the rating? Let's look. Maybe I can just shut off, don't show the rating. But then I'll have to turn it back on. And you guys can see that let me see, gameplay, confirm, resign our draw, show logo move, so always focus move, white's always on the bottom, castling live, enable pre-moves, load time warning, confirm move, allow multiple games at once, I don't need that, confirm move, auto claim win, vacation mode, after moving, days per move challenges, allow challenges, everyone, that's good. Incoming rating, see the rating range for players who can send you challenges, no. Ignore rating for incoming challenges. Well, I think I want to do that, but I think it already does that, right? Open challenge ratings, set the rating, no. Offline challenges is on. Is there a way to, and then there's settings for puzzles. So there's no way to hide the rating? No, we can't play rapid. 1 minute or 3 minute only today, guys. One minute or 3 minute only. And I'm going to take a challenge right now and we're going to try it, guys. You guys can see that, well, the way I actually am, I'm physically blocking it on my monitor because that's where I see it. But where you guys see it, I have the ELO hidden. See that? How cool is that, guys? Wait for it. I can toggle their rating, guys. That's where their rating goes. Okay. Play online. I should have just accepted it from settings because the challenge is now gone. Oh, there we go. There's one. Okay, here's a 1 minute unrated. And I can't see who's challenging me, so you can only do it once. That's going to be another problem. That's going to be another problem. But, hey, we're figuring it out, guys. I've never done Guess the ELO before. I think this guy's pretty low rated at 1 minute because of the way he is moving so slow. Okay. He's moving real slow, guys. I think he's moving a little slower than he might want to be. I'm scared right now. Okay, then here. Here. Oh, I didn't see it! Guys, knights move backwards! Knights move backwards! Oh, knights move backwards, man. Why would I ever allow a knight to move backwards? Knights move backwards. My God. I'm lucky that my opponent is lower rated, guys, because yeah, I'm way up on time. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I can't see anything. Okay, so now we have to unopen the ELO and see what he was rated. No, I have to guess first. I'm gonna say this gentleman, he was pretty slow. Like he's not playing a 1 minute game competitively on the clock. He did pick up my free pieces, so he's good enough to do that. So I would say I'm gonna give that guy, I'm just gonna guess 1,000 because I don't know. So here we go. It was Daniel. 158. Wow. Okay. Next challenge. Wait, I hit it, right? Yeah, I hit it. Okay. Yeah, try only to play me once though, guys, please. And 3 minute will be a better way for me to even guess. That was a slip. Yeah, that was a slip. This is really bad. Yep, really bad. What did I say? Really bad. Okay, can I do this? Am I losing? Yeah, oh, I'm 1,000,000% losing. Is that mate? It's mating for sure. I mouse slipped, guys. Yeah, that, okay, now I think I have one move. Dude, this guy moves so fast. Yeah. Okay. There was a hint here. Because this is checkmate in 2. I have only one move. That's to play queen takes. And if he was high rated, he would have known that, and he would have pre-moved queen takes. Do you know what I'm saying? I think. If he was like 1,600 or something. That's a really hard one to guess. Because I blundered in the opening. But he played really good. I'm going to say like 1,200 or something. That's my guess. 1,200. 1905. Dude, Kirby's way stronger than that. I don't know. But the problem is it was so, everything was easy. That's why I guess 1,200. And I took the one thing that you didn't pre-move. You didn't pre-move the mate. So I thought he's not 1,900. He would pre-move the mate. You probably did. Did you miss a free queen? I hope I didn't. Okay, here we go. This is the next one. A little bit more. Okay, oh, my clock is ticking, guys. Could be really bad. This could be really bad. I need to do something like this. And now. Yeah, that knight is a monster. The knight is a monster, folks! Okay, he's attacking my square. I have to defend it. I guess like this. Dude, I'm moving way too slow. And I don't know my opponent's ELO. This could be bad. Horrible move. Finally caught up on time. Got rid of the back rank malarkey. Still protecting. Queens move backwards. Got him on a clock. Okay. Boy, you guys are gonna be beating up on me today. Please be sure it's unrated. It can be 1 minute or 3 minute. Okay. It's blocked, right? Yeah, it's blocked. Okay. Wow. Guys. That's why I think we should probably move to 3 minute. We should probably move to 3 minute because it's so hard to guess in 1 minute. I mean, again, not a lot of clock awareness. He was up on the clock at one point and then ended up losing by 8 seconds. clock awareness for a bullet rating, right? So I'm going to say like 800 or something. 650 something? Everything's covered, so I can't see it. I'm going to make that bigger. Can I make that bigger? Can't. And it's funny because his rating went away. His rating went away. It was 600 though. 6 something. Yeah, that was baggy. Good game, dude. Good game. All right. Yeah, someone who hasn't played me, send me a 3-minute, man. GM Marchupidrura. Hey, it's funny because I played a guy, and Noah, we're now friends on chess.com, both of you guys. That means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. Deal? Dude, I played a guy on versus viewers, and he was 2,500, guys. He was 2,500. The only problem was he was a big fat cheater. His name is GM Hikua. Actually, I take that back. I don't know if he is a big fat cheater. I know that he got closed for fair play on chess.com. Yeah, he beat me 2 games. He was 25-66. If you're just getting here, we're playing Guess the ELO. Challenge me 3 minutes, not 1 minute. Is better. Definitely better. Hey, Good, how you doing, man? Welcome. Brittany, I like your glasses. Brittany, thank you. You're so kind. Yeah, I appreciate it. My girlfriend bought me these, you know that? And I used to be able to say they're available on my website, but they're not available on my website anymore. I'd rather we not talk about my ELO. Blazing. Feel. Guys, what's the guitar here for? For show? No, it's because I've been playing a lot of guitar. Do you know that, but I wanted to get started in Guess the ELO, see what it takes to set it up, see how it's going to flow, see how much fun we're having with it, right? But if you guys remember back when I very first started streaming chess on Facebook, and I still to this day say my name's Charlie, I play guitar, I play chess, right? And then we play other games after dark, like Elden Ring and stuff like that. And I almost just play guitar. I almost did a guitar stream today. The biggest reason why I'm not is because I don't have backing tracks that I can play live to. And I need to get some. I think I could probably make them with AI, like with Suno or something. I even know a guy. You can't send challenge. Why not, Noah? Could you add me so I could send? I accepted your friend request. Okay, I got one here, guys. I got one here. This is 1 minute. That's fine. But send me 3 minute if you want. I don't know who this is. It's blocked. Oh, this is 3 minute. Good job. Okay, now I got to slow down and try and play a good game. I've been playing a horrible 1 minute, guys. You guys were completely outplaying me in every game. And you guys were, the one guy was 1900, but everyone else was severely lower rated than me. Why can't you send challenge? You probably can right now, Noah. This could be you. I hope this is you, Noah. Dude, I think I want to change the pinned comment to say send me 3 minute. Okay, it's a good move. Oh, I gotta remember, it's not 1 minute. Slow down. Enjoy the game. Enjoy the Grand Master maneuvers. I gotta enjoy the Grandmaster maneuvers, guys. I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. Okay, so far, I'll tell you this. This guy is probably not rated 500 or 600. Oh, there was a... Yeah. I would have gave it a shot, but that gives you more time. It gives us both more time. I want more time so I have a better chance. Oh, did I forget it? Okay, good. Because I haven't looked at that screen yet. Is it covered up now? I just hit the hotkey. Okay, this was a pretty troublesome move that tells me this guy's probably not 1200. Look at the x-rays, guys. Look what's going on here, man. This could be a maneuver, right? That allows this f6. So that's probably dumb. So maybe don't do that. Okay, brings the bishop. Okay, we can't play f4. Just come back. See, I made that move so quick, like it's a 1 minute game. I don't have to do that. Hey, hello, what's up, man? How you doing? First time chatter. Hi, hello, hey, what's up? Is there AQ? You got to send it. Oh, man, I didn't see this move. That's a good move. Oh, wait, I can take en passant, guys. I can take while passing. You guys don't know what it means. It's French. Good. Okay, I can see it now. Yeah, and I have no idea what this guy's rating is. And I'm going to go back and take just a minute to kind of look. Oh, one thing that I think when the game is over, something bad happens. Like, where something pops up. Let's go here. And then here. Rookie one is a great maneuver that should be taken advantage of very soon. 95 is a real square. Was I there before? I was. That's where I took my free pawn, right? Yeah. I got to connect the rooks. Okay, one thing about this guy. He's going so low on time, it scares me that he's probably not a 1400. Because it's like, it's a 3 minute game. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Bring a rook. Right? Just make a maneuver that we all know and love. This is 3 minute no increment, I believe. So I can pretty much do a lot of anything. Now, this could be a really good move. Getting rid of the... Oh, wait. No, he's attacking here. So we're going to go ahead and take this. Yeah. And then we're going to go... I think we'll go here. No, I don't want to mess my pawns up. I'm going to come here. Wow. Okay. Yeah. He resigned. You don't have to resign. Okay, good. When it says you won by resignation, it doesn't say the guy's rating. Okay. ELO, the ELO's hidden. Let me close this and let me just look real quick, because guys, if we look at like the database, this, I don't know if D5's the move, but I don't think it's a bad move. He saw all that, was fine. Yeah. Oh, yeah, no, this is very telling. No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay. Yeah, this, I think, was a pretty bad move, but it's a blitz game, right? But I'm guessing the ELO. I'm guessing the ELO. Yeah, because it hung upon. It hung upon. I'm going to just go ahead and say... but the fact that he resigned... Yeah, and the tactics, he left the rook hanging, but he was low on time. I'm going to say this guy is 750. 750. Ready for the reveal, folks? 408. Hey, it was Noah. Noah, good game, dude. Okay, let me hide it again. That's a compliment to you. Okay, good. We got a 3-minute game. I haven't seen any ratings. Dude, this is fun. This is fun. You know, if we did it with rapid, you know what maybe we'll do? We'll do, at some point, guess the ELO 10-minute chess for subscribers, or subscribers on Twitch, supporters on Facebook, and members on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? That will probably be a pretty good way to go. I got you, Noah. Did we have an increment in our game? I didn't even notice. You're fine, brother. You are so fine, man. Good game, thank you. And I felt like you were better than a 400, so you get a compliment. Unlike the poor 1900 guy, the guy that's won our tournament, he's gotten first place in our tournament. This is just kind of fishing around for to see what his rating is. See how he responds to this if he does it all right. Okay, he goes for the break in El Centro. Check. And if you've already played me, please don't play me again. For now, while we're doing Guess the ELO, please don't, because we gotta let other people play, right? Rhodes. Morning, Charlie. Hope all is well. But Vegeta, I'm doing great, man. Oh yeah. It goes like this. So there's a piece hanging here. I didn't see it. And then I can do this. And I also have... Just check. Yeah. Right. And he saw that. There also may have been something there, guys. Brings the Amigos Rook. Okay. That was not a good move. He was already on this file. He could have came to 7th rank. What did Feeding Master David Bassett teach us, folks? Which rook? Does it matter? I guess this rook. He taught us if you can get a rook on the 7th rank, it's usually a pretty good move. Okay. Like, it's something you should be striving for. Like, maybe he should have not let my rook come to the 7th rank. My opponent is playing twice as fast as me, though. We're catching back up on time. Can I go... I think we do this first, right? This first, guys. No reason. Okay, I could take that pawn. We just come here. And there's a huge reason for this move. It has to do with indubitably. And my king f8 was to keep his rook out of here. We might have him, folks. Is there a mate here? Good game, dude. Good game. He played a lot faster than me. He had like 2 minutes when I had 1 minute. Okay? So based on that, the fact that he kind of played not so good, where were his mistakes? Like, yeah, this, yeah, maybe. I break in El Centro. Yeah, here, I mean, I don't know if breaking in the center is best here. I really don't. Maybe kick the bishop. Kick the bishop. Kick the bishop, I bet, is the move. If I go to analysis, can I get a computer up? I can. It wants... Yeah, it even wants F3. H3 is definitely one of the top moves. But breaking in the center, like when your knight is pinned and you don't have any rooks on the open files yet. I mean, okay, I broke in the center when I didn't have the open files, but I just and he played yeah, that. And what I mean by this move, it's not even on the list. It's not even a Stockfish top 5 moves. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's okay. So then, okay, all the trades happened. Oh yeah, but again, your knight's hanging after it takes. and takes. And it was check. Knight of 3 check was best. Bishop takes. Bishop takes. Yeah, this is all best. Oh, but maybe I shouldn't be using the engine too much to guess the ELO. And then I guys, get ready to send me some 3-minute chess. This guy played good, man. He played good. What was the final time? Oh, he got mated. Yeah, he got mated. And dude, that was so greedy of me. I played this move so I could play rook check and double. Because if I just, in this position, I just try and double, well, I'm attacking a pawn, but the fact is you could stop me from doubling. Right? And it'd probably be worth it to give the pawn up. But when the guy gets doubled on the 7th ring, it's pretty bad. 600. 600. Let's go, guys. 600. Unveiling. 900. Druman, I'm sorry. I wish there was a way I could make that bigger. It's so small. 900. I can see it. All I have to do is pay attention and come in a quarter inch. Okay, good. Good game. Someone send me a challenge. Oh, I got a friend request from Not a Femi Wemmy. Welcome. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. All right? Send me 3-minute unrated, guys. 3-minute is best. They're not. No, my challenges are on. My challenges are definitely on because I've already played 5 games. I've already played 5 games. Play. Wait, I just got one. Darn it. Play. 1 minute unrated. Okay, we'll do a 1-minute one. Let's go. He's pretty low rated because he's not moving fast enough, guys. Now he's moving fast. Here, maybe? I should have just brought a rook, man. I mean, why am I trying to... I'm already challenging him and testing him. And what the... W... Dude... Thank you for the sub on YouTube, dude. This is a 1-minute game. He's like getting caught up. He's getting caught up on time, guys. This is bad. Oh no. Yeah, because if pawn takes, he just has a little discovery, but it doesn't do much. So I think we definitely take. Okay. Oh, my knight's under attack I didn't see. That's not good. Wow, now I'm losing on time. I just dropped my queen, that's okay. Save the knight. Oh my god. So, I was able to just beat him on time. Usually people my rating, my bullet rating, I'm 1674, they would not allow, they would never have allowed that. He started moving like when it was too late. 900. Oh, it was uncovered. Good. I couldn't see it though. 1329. Sorry, brother. Sorry. Okay, here's another one. Is just 3 minutes? Yeah, 3 minutes. Great. 3 minutes better. I got to change the pin comment, guys. I got to change the pin comment. I got to cover it too. There we go. It's covered now. Okay, good. Yeah, I hadn't seen it, guys. Obviously. I guess 900. Dude, you can insult people. I'm not trying to insult anybody. We got to make coffee. The queen comes. Okay. We simply develop, right? If he pins, oh wow, this one. Okay, queen e2 is fine, right? Or no, wait. Yeah, queen e2. Am I getting mated? Is this bad? Yeah. I couldn't see it though. It's over on this. I gotta remember though. It's the whole point. Thank you, Buck. Thank you, Buck. Yeah. I have to look over there and squint to even see it. Okay, giving me. Maneuvers. Dude, that's probably a really good move. I'm just telling you, that's probably a really good move. Like, because your queen should never have been out, right? So, like, just put it back where it goes. Reset. Because I will kick your queen around the board for the rest of its natural-born life. This opponent here is probably around 400, I'm guessing, but the game's not over yet. Maybe less. 275, maybe. One for bringing the queen out and going for a scholar's mate, right? Yeah, he brings the queen, so I guess we take the rook. And then for running into this this trouble here, I was threatening stuff. Yeah, I mean, he's probably gonna lose anyway, but thanks for the game. Hey, Baggy man, or Bag ya, thank you. Hey, Suhel Khan, how you doing, man? Yashar, well, welcome. Why are you bullying 3-digit players? Because I'm playing viewers. I'm playing my viewers. I can play you. You can bully me. It's guess the ELO. I can't see his rating. Okay, the bishop comes. We're gonna play check. I, by the way, have dropped my queen multiple times today. I'm not on the ball. Today's a good day to beat up on me, guys. Bill Stevens, how you doing, man? Dude, we're doing guess the ELO. I got the... Yeah. Now, I think... Do I play check so he can't run away? Oh, no, because queen takes. So we just take the piece. Just be happy. Be a happy camper. The knight might escape, guys. The knight might escape. He could bring the knight. No, I would just take it. Yeah. Guys, we're drinking coffee after this. If you're new to the stream, wait till you see the coffee cam. It's amazing. It's a fan favorite. Dude, I had so much fun playing music yesterday, guys. So much fun. Oh, that's a good move. I mean, maybe. Because my king is in the middle of the board. Oh my god. I had queen check forcing the queens off and didn't see it. Wow. Wow. Knight bd7. Gotta play it, man. Gotta play it. Yeah, good move. Very, very... And now I have to castle. Can he castle, though? He can castle. I don't want him to castle. Wait, can he castle? I don't know if he can castle. We're fixing to find out, folks. I think he can castle. I should have played bishop f7 at some point and removed his castling rights as a human being. Yeah, probably not an altogether bad move. Oh, I don't have rook over anyway. Yeah, I think we go to this square. I think we just sack the pawn for this for sure, right? Although it does attack the knight, but then the knight can get out this way. Yeah, he attacks my... He attacks my knight, guys. I guess the knight's not getting away. Oh, he didn't... He saw it, guys. He saw it. Okay. We don't have to give up a pawn. We don't have to give up a pawn, folks. Yeah, now a little move like, just put the bishop on a square, folks. This is a 3-minute game. I'm going to have to guess this guy's rating. I already did some analysis of the rating. I should be giving a little bit more. Yeah, just save it. Wait, can we... Pin? Dude. I pinned it, guys. But do I win it? Therein lies the question, the questione. Okay, he brings the rook. Now we'll force the queens off. And, yeah. I hope I never offend you, anybody, when I guess the ELO, guys. Because, okay. But you are most likely, I'm gonna give my guess right now on this gentleman. He's covered up. I'm gonna say 270. That's Troll again, 855. Troll, you get 1 game per day. Or until I say open it up. Oh, we got to cover it back up. Is it covered? It is. Okay, good. Oh, I go first. This is a 3-minute game. Good. 3-minute unrated is best. This is Caro. Is this Tamara from the thing? That's probably an actual maneuver, guys. Probably a good move. I want to do it so bad, but I'm not going to. It's a shame that we can't do more with this. You know what I'm saying? I think... Oh, this is a great move. This is a Grandmaster's move, guys. It's a move created by Grandmasters for Grandmasters right here at Charly Sardo Gaming. Bishop G5 was a fork. Was that last game you're talking about? Yes, I almost played guitar instead of chess today, guys. I almost just did a guitar stream. I need... Yeah, okay. That says... Are you trying to trick me? What if he tricks me, guys? Overprotecting. He wants to come to this square. So do we pin now? I should have done this before. Yeah, he's coming in. He's coming in for me, folks. Here, I guess. I should have castled kingside. 1,000,000% that was a bad move. When I make a bad move, I don't just tell you guys when I think you made a bad move. When I make a bad move, I got to call it out. It's how we get better. It's how we get better, folks. Thanks for the game, Go. You're welcome. You're welcome. Can you play me username? I don't see any usernames. And I am not, You have to challenge me. It's in the pinned comment how to challenge me. Rose, Wood, Telly. Three minutes best. Okay, now we'll just come to El Centro. Womp, womp. Go to El Centro. Dude. I had so much fun playing music last night. I went to the club, sat. Some guy in the crowd was like, he came and just gave me the most amazing compliments, guys. You guys have no idea. I'm not even going to say anything because I don't want to like sound like I'm bragging or anything from what this guy said because it would be bragging. But the best part was he said that he mentioned how much fun I was having. He said you were just smiling. You looked so happy. He said you have this glow about you. I mean, all these good things, but he was talking about how I just had a big smile on my face. And I told him, I said, you know what? I said, those guys that I was playing music with, they're all real life friends of mine. Like, I love them. And that's why I probably looked like I was having fun. I was happy to be there. Do you know what I'm saying? I was happy to be there. And so I guess I looked, because I was smiling. I'll tell you something, man. When I started playing music, people would tell me, smile, smile. I was probably nervous. You know what I'm saying? And because of that, I would have a kind of serious look on my face. Ah! I almost dropped mate in one, guys. I almost dropped mate in one. Ah! He got me. Okay. This guy's like, let me see. Let me go back and look at the opening again. Yeah. Oh, no. This guy's way higher rated. This guy played a Karo can and then transposed into an advanced French. That was good. This, I don't know about this move. Moving the bishop twice. I don't think that's an idea. Giving the bishop up for the knight for no reason and developing my queen, that's not good. This guy's good enough to threaten checkmate, but he's not playing a lot of great moves. That might have been the best move. That was good. Okay, wait. Yeah, this was a great move. The knight is a monster. I'm going to give this guy, and he threatened mate, and then he threatened mate again, and he saw the mate, and he played the mate. This guy's a tactical player. 1,400. 1,400? 1,015. Yeah. Yeah. Flappy Panda, is it? How in the world? I can't make this any bigger, can I? I can't make it bigger, man. That's as big as it gets. 1,015. I can't read his full name right. Okay. Good game, dude. Good game. I feel like you played better than that. Okay, we got one here. 3-minute chess. I think I just saw the guy's name. Z. It starts with a Z. Or, oh, I gotta cover. Guys, I'm not looking at it. Okay, it's covered now. Play well, my friend. Play a good. Oh, I wanted to make a cup of coffee. Okay. That was a blunder. I could have taken this pawn. It was a blunder by him, and it was a blunder by me. I never dreamed. This guy's not very high rated at all. He developed his pieces in castle. That's really good, right? But he dropped a pawn. It's a blitz game. Hey, Eagles, thanks for the follow on Twitch, man. Yeah, plays king up. That's really not an altogether bad maneuver. But now we get this. I want to get the square. Oh. Okay. Do we just sack? I think we should develop mental first. Let's just develop mental. Maybe get the knight. Plays c5. The knight can take, so that's good. Do we just break with e5? Does that work? I'm going to go ahead and sack it now and see what this guy does. Okay. Check. He has f5. Okay. Simply bring... I think I got to take. I think I had to take first, folks. Didn't really want to, but it's okay. We're never taking here. We're going to bring the other rook, and we're going to come down the filio, guys. The filio. That's file in Charlie's Sardo Gaming Talk. That's so important. If you have fun while you are playing, everyone else has fun while you are playing, and people pay attention to the cats that are having fun. That's exactly right. I'll tell you, one of my first bands, the first iteration of the Charly Sardo band, we had so much fun, and we were all just so happy with this band we put together that, like, some of the other local bands and stuff, like, they'd come to our show because it was just infectious. It was infectious at how much fun we were having. You know what I'm saying? It was really cool. I remember those days, man. Yeah, and it's kind of like, it's kind of like, this, right? If I'm not having fun playing a game, then you're not going to have fun watching me play it. So I have to do what I want to do. I have to do what I want to do. You know what I mean? Dude. That was a follower goal, Matt. I mean, can I see this? Yeah. You bust once. Got you, brother. Ounce, or whatever you said. Yeah, that's a maneuver for sure. Now we come like this. He has this check, though, that I don't want to allow. So we're going to go... here. Knight b5, guys. Rewriting the book on good moves. Yeah, if our blitz rating is much lower than our main rating, is it still find it? Yeah, it's fine. We're having fun. We're having fun. This guy is rated 2100. Be careful. Buck! It's guess the ELO. You can't tell me. What does it say? Why do you think it says ELO hidden up there? Why do you think it says ELO hidden? It's guess the ELO. Okay, now I can... I actually can't. Oh, wait. I have this check, though. Oh, no. Bishop can take, so I can't come here. It's guess the ELO, man. That's great. Fuck. Were you being funny? That's comedy. Be careful. This guy's 2100. It's guess the ELO. Yeah. Isn't that funny, though? I love it. Is this beautiful? How pretty is that, guys? Is this... I saw it coming, guys. I saw it coming. Okay, let me see... No. Buck was kidding. And Buck is such a great supporter of the stream that doesn't even make me mad. It's actually funny. My opponent played, like... a Fianchetto type position, but this was a blunder. And he had plenty of time not to blunder it. But I blundered too. I didn't see it because I don't expect my opponent to blunder. I expect him to play B5, E5, C5. Start shoving, start attacking me, right? He didn't know that. He didn't get the memo on don't push pawns in front of your king. Let me be sure that's not the best move. I know it's not. Yeah, best move is B5. Yeah. E5 is basically tied with B5. Those are the best moves. Queen A5 is another move. These are all moves. H6 is not has nothing to do with the position. It just loses a pawn. So based on that, and then he didn't unpin very early. I think he wanted me to sack, but I don't think he saw this stuff. What I could have done maybe was push and threaten takes, and then I would have had more information. This guy, I'm gonna give. Well, he didn't drop his queen, and I think that was probably like the only thing he had. One thing he didn't see. I want to play this move, right? I want to play this move, but I can't. Well, I mean, I can, but he has knight d3 check. Bishop d3, I want a piece, but he gets to trade queens. He's not getting mated anymore. He didn't see that. I'm going to say 800. 800 is final answer. 445. Dude, good game. Z Malty one? Is that his name? Z Malty one. I can't. It's so small, guys. I can't. There's no way to like uncover it over here. Okay. Oh, let me cover it back up. And oh no, we gotta make coffee. We've gotta make coffee. And then I'll tell you something else. Where I went and played music yesterday. I live like in a small town, and some places here in these small towns, they smoke inside the building. I know if you're like from California, you'd be like, what? It's like you can't do that in the whole state of California. You can't smoke in a building. It's like your own house or something, right? And then when I went to do something with my hair today, I wet it a little bit to get it to look all old man scraggly like it does. And by wetting my hair, poof! Now I smell like a cigarette. I probably already smell like a cigarette anyway, but when you wet your hair after being in a bar where they smoke, you smell like cigarettes, man. My head is stinking. Dave Joyce, how you doing? Dave Joyce, we're doing a new game. It's called Guess the ELO. I invented it. Levy knows nothing about this. Let's get that water, guys, or the coffee. I feel like I'm already hyped up enough, though. I'll tell you guys something else I did. It was kind of fun yesterday. I brought the Les Paul instead of my Telecaster. Thank you for the 100 stars, Dave Joyce. I love you, brother. Bill Stevens says, back in the day when I used to play in small clubs where you could smoke inside, if I didn't shower when I got home, my eyelids would be stuck together in the morning, and you basically have to throw your clothes away. Yeah, I know you have to burn them, but they already smell like smoke. So even after you burn them, you could probably still wear them. Okay, we got a bunch of challenges here, guys. But I got to get the coffee, guys, because you saw how small the cup was. It's already done. It's already done. Let's get the coffee. so we can calm down. I played a Les Paul yesterday, man. I didn't even bring my Telecaster. That was crazy. And it sounded so good. Oh, my God. My Telly sounds so good through my Deluxe Reverb amp. But the Les Paul sounds so good. It's kind of mean. It's mean to the other guitar players because your guitar sounds better than theirs. You know what I mean? And I didn't do anything. I just plugged it in. Guess ELO is always fun. I always play along and see if I can get close. Yeah, right. Dude. These guys been... I have not been very close. I thought I would be better at this. But what I'm going to do, Dave Joyce, is next time we do this, maybe next Monday, this in a week, I'm going to do Guess the ELO 10-minute chess for subscribers, supporters, and members. I think that would be a good thing to give supporters and subscribers and members. You know what I'm saying? Subscribers on Twitch. And then I'll just make a list. I'll have a list. I'll physically make a list of everyone I've played. So you will get a turn. How many games am I going to play in a day? 4, 6, 8? You know what I'm saying? All the subs aren't going to get a turn. Not on the first day, but they will. They will. So that'll be cool. Let's grab this coffee. Let's grab this coffee. Let me tell you something that's kind of funny about this cup of coffee, okay? It's real dark in there without the lights on, and when I poured it, the water, I didn't fill the cup up enough. This is already a small cup, and it's only half full, so the coffee's going to be very strong. Ooh, it tastes like restaurant coffee. Wow, that tastes good. Bring that coffee and play with me, bro. Dude, I'm going to take one right now. I'm taking the next one. The next one is... There we go. Good. 3 minute. Guys, I got to change the pinned comments again. Oh, yeah, it's covered. Oh, wait. Did I not guess the last one? Did I not guess the last one? No. I stopped. I'm going to play C5 and see what they do against this. This is a way... See, this is what I'm doing wrong, Dave Joyce. I need to play a real opening. If I play the Latvian Gambit, it's hard for me to tell if you're 1900 or 800. Because a lot of times they can make common sense moves, but there's so many places for them to go wrong. You know what I'm saying? And it's not their fault if they go wrong. Like, for instance, here, let's see what they do with this. Well, this coffee's going to be over quick. Hey, Knight Senpai, welcome back. How you doing? I've seen you before, right? Or was it a different Senpai? Light, not Chess Knight. Is that you? Is that you? My opponent is using his brain and his mind. I can see his... Why can't I see the last number of his rating? Maybe it's because his name is longer or shorter or something. I can see he's from the great country of Andorra. Andorra, where's... Okay, now this is not the best move because of Knight, but I don't want to play it, man. I think Knight G4 might be the move here. Do you know that? I really do. Do I play it? Because then I can't continue developing and stuff. So I think we don't. I think we play E6. Or do I play Queen C7? Because of the other idea that he might play. Or do I just play B5? See, if I play E6 and he plays F3, it's an English attack, and I want to play E5 and Bishop B6. Right? So I'm like doing like Hikaru move order maneuvers here, guys. Hikaru move or I'm gonna play this and see what he does. Yeah. Smoke smells in restaurant coffee. Denny's, huh? Yeah, pretty much. Dude, there's a coffee shop. Plays Bishop E2. Okay, there's a coffee shop that was in my small town that okay guys, he just revealed himself, guys. He dropped the knight. I didn't even take it with check. Oh my god, it was crushing. He can't bring the queen. If he brings the bishop back, I take the other knight. He has to play king f1. Yeah, what a blunder and a half, man. Dude, I hate when I do this. When I had a free piece. Now it changes the entire course of the game. Go straight in input. Oh, well, that's an idea. That's a definite idea. Now we're going to change gears. Because of the weak diagonally. The weak diagonally, guys. It's like Diagon Alley, only different. Only for Harry Potter fans. Okay. Do I push? I think we just take. He's ahead in development. Okay. Now I think, do we come... Where do I go? To this square? Or maybe to this square is probably better. See, I'm giving him opportunities to make moves, which really helps him get more information. Name's hidden, but the rating isn't. Yeah, you know what? It's because the rating moves. The rating moves. So that was not hidden. And I did see it. Now we might see the beginning of the guy's name or something. I guess this guy's rating is about 855. I know, I saw his rating, guys. That time I saw it. Yeah. Thank you, Chris, for telling me that. Oh my god. Oh no, it's not mate though. My god. I almost dropped mate, guys. You got me on time. Good game. Yeah. I accidentally saw your rating, man, and I was gonna guess less. But I need to work that into my brain. I need to work that into my brain because yeah, he was 855, guys. He was 855. I didn't uncover that one because he was 855. This one I don't know, and it's covered. See that screen where you see the ELO hidden thing? This right here, I'm not looking at it. That's my OBS. And wait, it's on now. Yeah, okay, good. It's like way over here, and I got to squint to see it. So even if it wasn't covered, that's more being covered for you guys. I'm glad to see you have a good amount of viewers on both platforms. Dragon Blood Sword, we have the best community in the world, and it's growing like weeds. I can't stop YouTube from growing. It's just exploding. I mean, I can't stop it, guys. It's crazy. It's absolutely psychotic what's happening over on YouTube. And Twitch. Dude, do you know how hard it is to grow on Twitch? Like, what he plays F4. Okay. And then bring the Amigos Night in true dragon fashion. Guys, one of my chess reels just got like 236,000 views on Instagram. Usually I get like 2,000, 4,000, 1,000 on Instagram. It's absolutely psychotically in freaking sane. In freaking sane, I say. Yeah. And I wasn't hard stuck, but the shorts on YouTube, like a good one would get 30,000. That same one got, I think, 36,000. So it's like good, because I want to start getting 40K. I'm trying to dial him in, guys. Yeah, you can see this gentleman's rating is not quite there. And that's fine, fine, fine. You're doing fine. We're all going to get better at chess. I feel like this was best so he can't castle, but then he just goes this way, right? So maybe it's not so good. But we have maneuvers, and I have to castle. I have to make a Castello, guys. It brings the queen. I think he could push, guys. I got to castle. Knight d5 is probably a good move, too. Knight d5 looks like a good move, man. Gives this up, though. Oh, wait, but I don't have the check. Oh, I have this check. Yeah, he plays knight d5. The question is he listening, guys? Is he listening? Okay. It could be. If you're listening, don't, because it's stream sniping and it's not fair. If you're playing, just turn the volume down. Hey, Uzva. Okay, that's a move. Hit the queen, maybe? It drops this with check. So we're gonna go here. He can't make a Castello because he drops his rook. So the pin still feels relatively legitimate. This is just to, you know, for no reason, right, guys? There's no reason. Wait. Plays f5. Okay. I want to do this so bad, but it doesn't do anything. F5 looks like a really good move. Yeah, this is pretty bad, actually. I needed to play bishop e6 and get rid of the knight. Do you know that? I really did. I guess connect the rooks. I don't know what else to do. This guy plays... Yeah. Okay. Oh, is he going to try and come at me, guys, like a spider monkey in full regalia? I don't think he can, though, because... Brings the rook. If I hit the queen, he starts coming on the dark squares, guys. I could be in trouble here. I could be in trouble here! This is the little move that says, now you can't mate me on g7. Or at least, Yeah, that's probably a move. Oh. Good game. Okay, now I have, let me go back and look at the opening real quick. Let me go back and look at the opening real quick. Oh, yeah. I played a dragon. Bishop D3 is not really weird. F4 is not really weird. It's a little early. You could develop your pieces. Is this the best move? In this position, I bet it is. E5 is the best move. Knight G4 is the second best move. You say, but you're not castled and you haven't developed your bishop and you connected your rooks. I know. It's still the best move and I just knew it. Second best move. Which is fine. It's fine. Okay. Yeah. You know what? I'm going to tell you the stockfish move in this position. You know what it is? Save the bishop. Now let me look and see. Well, okay. Yeah, bishop G1 is the second best move. It wants to take on C6 first. BC6. And then bishop back here. Bishop D2. You save the bishop. You save the bishop. And then I castle or queen B6. We're playing chess. And then that was a... See, I like bishop B6 here, man. I got to get rid of that thing. It doesn't like it. No, it wants to take that. Okay. Bishop G7. Queen A5 check. King H8. King H8. Look at that move. King H8. Crazy move, right? But then, if I ever abandon this pawn, it doesn't come with check, I guess. Check there, okay. You say, what about this? That's dumb. I mean, this knight's way better than me. But bishop b6. Yeah, third best move. Bishop b6. Gotta get rid of the knight, dude. You gotta, yeah, queen d1 and rip it. There we go. Castles. We're playing chess, guys. This is just a game of chess. So, my opponent's rating, I'm gonna say... Oh, yeah, wait. Let me... He did get low on time, but that matters too. Is H5 a move? Guys, now... It's not. It's a good move. I'm still winning, though. Oh, yeah, and then he dropped the piece. Because he got down to 22 seconds. He dropped the piece. But looks... I'm like, oh my god, maybe this guy's gonna be... Is that the best move? Knight C6? Dude, Knight D5. Is that crazy? Takes and what? Rook F. Check. Pinning is the best move. How crazy is that? So he dropped the piece, but it's a blitz. And then, yeah, from here, just started moving really fast. These are so hard to guess. I'm going to be way better at guessing ELOs in rapid and 10-minute games. So I'm going to say this guy's ELO is... $6.15. Wait. Oh, wrong button. 134? Dude, you play more like a 6.15. I can't even read these names. Oh. Yeah, I can't even read it. But dude, thank you for the game. Good game, my friend. Good game. This is freaking fun. Let's see what you think of my rating. Ollie Spectre. I've got everything blocked. All I can see is the check marks. So there is a bit of... And I will ask you, if you played me once, please don't play me again. Okay? See, that way other people get a turn. Twitch is usually pretty rough to get views on. Yeah, no, dude, it's so hard to grow on Twitch. I mean, and the thing about it is, the beauty of it is, I know that. Like, I literally am thankful. I'm thankful. How's Twitch doing? Let me look at the numbers. Yeah, see, 13 people on Twitch, dude. 13 people on Twitch. It's insane. Like that's a really, really big deal. Like, I'm telling you, you think I'm not freaking thankful for that? Hey, Ollie, thank you for the follow, by the way, man. And Shakar, thank you for the sub on YouTube, man. Facebook, what are you guys doing? Hey, Amir Omar followed. Thank you. Yep, we got Steindor with the follow on Facebook. Samuel that was yesterday. Yeah, I got a bunch of follows on Facebook yesterday. And what we just get? Hey, Doc Bizzle. I love it. Doc Bizzle. What does it mean? Oh, shizzle, Doc Bizzle. Manizzle. Faux shizzle manizzle. It's harder to grow on Twitch, but the benefit is it is a platform purpose built for live streams only. That's exactly right, Eagles. That's exactly 1,000,000% correctamundo. You think I've never been in this position before? Okay, that tells me a lot. But I'll tell you, there's a lot of high-rated players that don't know this move. But watch. He thinks he's losing his queen. But if king takes, queen takes, bishop check, discovers attack on my queen. My best move is queen back. You play bishop takes, I play knight takes. And then like, I think f4, f3 is my move, is my idea. Yeah, so he didn't have to give me that pawn. He's using his brain. Pritchard, how you doing, man? Welcome back. Welcome back, friend. I guess we'll just come all the way back. It'll be fine. Ali, yes, but you have to send me a challenge, and I'm taking as many challenges as I can, but we're doing Guess the ELO. And you just have to send me a challenge when my game's over. And I play viewers Mondays and Thursdays. And we have a tournament on Wednesday that you can play me in the tournament, too. So I highly recommend that you, oh, Uzva with the follow on Twitch. Thank you, Uzva. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Hey, yo, Doc Bizzle. Did Doc Bizzle say what his name means, though? Doc Bizzle, what does it mean? Yeah, we don't make a queue. The biggest reason that we don't make a queue is because if I made a queue, you wouldn't watch the stream. Because I'd be sitting around here trying to manage a queue. You know what I'm saying? And then people would go AFK when it was their turn. And I wouldn't blame them. You're waiting for a streamer to play him, and then your wife gets home and you got to help take the groceries out or something. This tells a lot right here. Now, a lot of people might take the rook, but that's a 2-point game. No, he can actually... Oh, yeah, but this is a 3-point game. Oh, but then I lose the pawn, though. Oh, no, it's with check. Oh, I should have took the rook with check. I'm so bad. It's a blitz game, guys. It's a... Now we get... That's amazing. We get it back. Okay, this guy just showed his rating, guys. He might have shown his rating, folks. Yeah. That is probably not a bad move. Attack king. See, now he can't move the bishop. Oh, he can, but yeah. Now I'm up a rook. Okay. And a bishop. I had to be careful with the stalemate there because these sneaking pawns, right? Okay, it's covered, right? Yeah, it's covered. It's covered. It's covered. Okay, good. Let me make it big so I can see when I uncover it. Dude, good game. Good game. Obviously, I'm probably rated a little bit higher than you. Let me go back and see. I think he made some pretty good mistakes. Yeah, like just this thing right here though. Like I said, you can take the bishop. Takes bishop. Queen takes queen, and then you have bishop b4 check. My best move, because you're going to take my queen. My best move is queen back. Takes, knight takes, and we're playing chess. I won a pawn. You can't castle. My pawns are better. You have 3 pawn islands. I have 2. But it's not the end of the world. And it's better than what you did. But you were fine. I didn't play it perfect either, but I know that opening. So, takes, knight. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty 328 of you. 328, final answer. ELO, become unhidden. 1435, Creeper. I know, Creeper. I'm sorry, Creeper. Wow. I was over 1,000 points off. Yeah. You know, I'm gonna unpin the comment because how come I can't see them? This one. Let me copy it first though, so I can put it up again. Now remove. Okay. And then guys, stop saying and then, okay? Was that Dude Where's My Car? What movie is that, guys? And then. Here, remove. Okay, guys, I'm cleaning house here. Okay, but now I have to edit this a little bit. Yeah, 3 minute. Now it'll only say 3 minute. Unrated to play me and get your ELO guest. And let me copy this. There we go. Bang. Bang. I gotta unpin. I gotta unpin this one. Unpin. And then here we go. And pin this. Okay, good, guys. All the pinned comments are good now, so everyone knows. Well, we gotta get Facebook. Dude, is it Dude Where's My Car? Dude, that's such a great freaking movie, man. I mean, I think I've seen it once or partially. Manually unpinned or end of stream. Yes. And then here we go. Bang. And we pin it on Facebook too. If you are new to the stream, my name is Charlie. I play guitar. I play chess. Whoa. It's like... And I play gaming in the evenings, guys. Gaming in the evenings. Then you put it in a paper bag and give it to me. Daniel Abbott for the win. Dude, here's my car. Okay, yeah. Okay, good. Everyone got their pin comments. Yeah, 3 minutes fine, guys. 3 minute. Well, let me grab my water, and then I'm gonna do a whole nother round. One second. It's right here. Okay, I'll take you with me. Back. Dude, guess the ELO is fun. It just takes a whole bunch of post-it notes to block stuff off the screen. Okay. Hey, and it's the not a Femi Wemmy guy. Was he on Oh, we became friends, I think, on chess.com. I'm like, when did I see his name? E4 replaced C5. That would be funny if this is a 1 minute game and I was over here reading stuff. That would be dumb. Yes, send me a challenge. E4, C5, knight F3, D6. Yeah. And there is a little bit of RNG involved because I'm just accepting the first challenge I see. You know what I'm saying? And don't play me twice, guys, please. I think we can learn. Oh, whoa, uh-oh. This better not be Feeding Master. Oh my God, is this Feeding Master David Bassett? If he plays the move, this could be the highest rated guy so far, guys. If he plays it. Well, there's a couple of moves. I just had to be sure you guys weren't on the coffee cam. What'd he do? That's the move that was scaring me, guys. So you go like, this move, right? King B1, guys. This guy knows how to play the white side of Yugoslav. Now, I still have chances. Unless it's Feeding Master David Bassett. He busted my dragons. Guys, I kept going back to the opening book and learning Grandmaster moves and bringing it back to Feeding Master David Bassett. And you know what he did? He beat it again. And he beat it again, and then. I'm telling you, it's crazy talk. Some people defend like this and take with a knight. Is it dumb? I feel like it's dumb. But I feel like I'm already not knowing what to do. I guess I could do this. Is this the best move? I don't know. I might be okay here, guys. I might be okay. That was a good move, huh? Takes with the queen, right, and then... Do I check? Well, yeah, I have to check with the queen. Because here's the thing, then I get this move. Right, and then... And I already see other ideas. Yeah, probably not an altogether bad move. I can't... He's forcing the trade of queens, so that shows a pretty high... we have a high form of intelligence here, guys. Yeah, now... And then... now I think we do this. Or do we bring a knight? We played a bishop that develops his bishop. There's an idea behind this. I don't think it works. I should have probably played bishop b7 and e5, maybe? And then... He plays, yeah. So I kind of what I thought he might play. Yeah, that's not altogether a bad move. Bad move. Hey, I asked you to say it all together, and you guys did. So, what can I say about this? It's a pretty good square. There are threats. There are maneuvers. That's probably a good move. Wow. His rating's going down, folks. His rating's going down. He's got me on the clock, though. Dude, the rook was hanging the whole time. Whoa. He got me on time! That was so bad. I almost stalemated, guys. I almost stalemated. So he beat me, and he beat me legit. He beat me. Is the board covered? I'm just going to scan over. I'm doing like peripheral. No, it's not covered. It's not covered. I didn't see it, guys. I didn't see it. Based on his opening and King B1, for freaking real, this guy plays King B1. Do you know what King B1 threatens? You know this one, right, Daniel? I think I showed it to you. King B1. Why? Well, okay. Oh, he did it to defend the square. Because King B1, because I have Bishop E6 in, but like even if the bishop's on D7 and he doesn't have to defend this, it's not only a good idea to get the king out of potential checks, but here's the threat. If I do something dumb like, oh yeah, if he goes King B1, right? Let's say I do something dumb like Rook C8. Okay? He has this move. Getting this square. And then on Queen takes, he does this first. Then I have to move my king, and then he takes back. He wins a pawn. Okay? But I didn't even realize I was on H2 twice, so maybe he didn't know King B1. And then I want to see if my sack was worth anything, folks. Yes. Rook C3 is the best move. Wait, did I play it, though? Did I play it? I did. Rook C3, Queen C3. Queen takes check. Wow. It wants Queen, King, and then Queen A4. Okay, and then I still get this. But I feel like black is slightly better. Black is slightly better. So trading the queens, I think, was a good idea for him. Yeah, Queen A3 is the best move, dude. He played a good move. That's a good move because he's in a little bit of trouble. Now white is slightly better. What am I supposed to do here? I'm going to guess the ELO in a second, guys. H6. Okay, H6, H6. H5 is the third best move. Takes, bang. Knight C5, yeah. I figured that was best. It just wants B5. Just let him take. Okay, so then he either was starting to play real fast because I was low on time, or yeah, because he was trying to pressure me on the clock. But then he started blundering. He has to play King C1. King C1, and then I get this in. No, it wants me to take. Bishop takes, Rook takes, and Rook C4, and it's basically equal. Yeah, it's zeros all the way down now. But then he just started giving stuff away. I win my exchange back and a piece. This guy, his openings were good. I'm gonna say this guy is 1600. Yeah. I'm gonna say that guy was 1600. Let's check him out. Oh, that was not Femi Wemi. Dude, 939? Okay. Oh, was... Which chat are you in? You actually are 1600. I'm rating it. You were spot on. Oh. So, hi, hello, what's up, man? Is not a Femi Wemi on chess.com. Yeah, 1600 on your main rating, right? But this is a blitz game, so I'm guessing your blitz rating. But you probably, yeah, Yeah. Like you study openings and stuff. No one plays those moves that deep without studying openings. You know what I'm saying? Very good. Good game, dude. Very good. Thank you for the game. Do you not see the names in the challenges? No, I don't. Because one thing that dynamic window placement is horrible for streamers. Like, if I go to puzzles, like watch, I'm on chess.com right now. If I go to puzzles, look at the board. It's actually not that bad on the vertical, I mean on the horizontal stream, right? On like but on the YouTube vertical, a bunch of the board's cut off because the board size changes. Why don't they have one standard board size on chess.com and it stays in the same place every time? Then if I go to Vision Trainer, right? Like Vision, look when I go to Vision Trainer. You see how some of the boards cut off on YouTube horizontal, and on vertical it's really bad because the board moves and it gets bigger and smaller. Why? It should be the same across everything, right? Okay, but not only that, when you get a challenge, if I go to click on a challenge and another one comes, it moves up and I click on the wrong name that I was trying to click. They should come up with some way. Boy, there's a bug in my house. He has to die. How'd he get in my house? He was behind the curtain, and it was like a beetle type bug, like hard shell kind of thing. Guys, I've been in this unit. I've been in the same spot for 9 years, and only about in the last year and a half, 2 years, do I ever see any bugs in my house. Like, I'm in Texas. Like, people get scorpions, even without being infested. Rich people houses, newer houses, they'll see a scorpion running across the floor. They're related to spiders. Scorpions are. And so, you know, you keep the place clean, but every once in a while a spider gets in, right? I've never seen a scorpion in my house. The only cockroaches I've ever seen, we call them water bugs here, the huge water bug cockroach things. They actually fly. The only time I've ever seen one in my house is when it walked through the front door, because I used to keep the front door open all the time. You know what I'm saying? So I think that thing might have gotten in. He was too big to, like, because there's just, this house is sealed up so good. I love it. I may even be moving at some point to another unit. It's bigger, almost 3 times bigger. How exciting is that? But the problem is, dude, I mean, I'm going to if I have a chance, but I'm afraid I'm going to move into that one, and like every once in a while I'm going to get a scorpion in my house. You know what I'm saying? Because this one's good, man. No, send it outside and let's just say fly, mosquito, or roach. Here's the thing, man. I actually technically could have gotten a mason jar and try to get him into it, and I could have. Yeah, now you just made me feel bad, Daniel. The thing is, I didn't want it to get away. I didn't want it to get away and then have babies or freaking, I don't know what kind of bug it was. Sting me, bite me. Do you know what I'm saying? It's a bug. It's like, but I'm not the kind of guy that wouldn't hurt a fly. I kill flies. But if I can let the fly out, I will. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. We're not doing 5 minutes, Ham. GMs never play F6. Yellow Dart, how you doing? Alec, welcome back. Welcome back. F6's theory in the opening, they were playing F6. Not in that dragon. They're trying to keep the stream deck industry afloat. Scorpions get in through the vents or dryer exhaust is pretty topical. Vents through the vents. Get in through the vents. Oh, like if you have air conditioning or something? Yeah. Yeah, I have wall units. I don't have central air. Okay, I'm going to take a challenge now. We're going to keep going. I see this is a 3 minute, so I'm going to grab it. Okay, Aspect. I saw your name, but your ELO is covered. Aspect, play well. Dude, it's way better. Bishop C4. I can do this. But I know what my next move. This is my next move for sure. Yeah, just send a 3 minute. If you accidentally send a 5 minute. This must be the move. Cause don't you get knight development? F6 is a move for white to stop knight G4. You mean for black? You mean F3, Alec? Yeah, no. That's called a Yugoslav attack. That's 1,000,000%. F3 is the move. Yeah. That was correct. Absolutely. Yeah. That guy was rated 900. Like, oh yeah, but he said his real rating or his rapid rating is 1600. Yeah, so he's a guy that like actually studies openings and stuff, right? I'm gonna grab a piece of bread, guys. I'm like a little kid, guys. I'm eating a piece of bread. You know why? Because I'm getting a sickness. You ever get the sickness, guys? And I'm telling you, man, just like one cracker can stave off the sickness. Okay. I'm getting some ideas about what's going on here, guys. My opponent has developed his pieces and castled. I mean, I'm taking it. I'm taking it. This guy's playing a great game. Better than me. It was probably like b5, bishop b7, not chase the bishop down. It's a bishop, but he gets the open file, and the bishop was biting on a little bit of granatorial scenario. Okay. %1,000%. Mm-hmm. Takes. That doesn't work. Not completely in love with this move, but it's a maneuver. Yeah, now I think I'm literally going to do this. More granite for you. No butter or anything, just bread makes me feel like I'm back at wrestling tourneys between matches. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much, man. Now, I think we take the space. I kind of want him to come in. I'm just gonna go. It becomes its way. Okay, we're definitely gonna take. Okay, and then we're gonna play F5 as promised. I could have taken a pawn. I should have taken the pawn. But I'm like, yeah, but I have en passant if he tries to save the pawn. But he might be able to save it another way. And yeah, okay. It's a move. I think this is better. I'm like, I kind of want to lead with the queen to threaten mate, but I can get something going here. I don't want to put the bishop on the same file, the open, semi-open file with the pawn. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, guys. This guy's playing pretty good. Bishop F6 could be a maneuver. Could give me all kinds of things. I guess we have to take. Got him on time. Boy, he fell apart quick, man. This could be one of us. This could be a chiller, a lower rated chiller that it's blocked. That very intelligently develops his pieces and castles, right? This is somebody who has learned some chess. Maybe they watched some Gotham chess. They watched some Daniel Naroditsky. He knew not to play bishop takes knight, right? Keep the bishop, 1000%. It brings the last piece. Loses the pawn, but he didn't have a lot of options. He could go to the rim, or he could maybe come back to B1 and then head over to D2. You know what I'm saying? But this, I think I'm just supposed to take the pawn, and I didn't. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, yeah, knight d5, e5, bishop d5. I'm supposed to take it. F5 is the second best computer move. And it's not a lot. No, it just went down the list. It's not there anymore. Rook a, e8. It wants to bring the other rook looking at the queen. F5. Okay, and then now here, definitely en passant. Takes. Now bishop d5. Okay, now bishop b7 or bishop c6. I was torn, guys. I was torn. They're about the same, but it likes bishop c6 the best. It does, and I played the better one. So this was a simple discovered attack in a position where you each have 14 minutes. So I'm gonna say this guy is rated 1,050. That's my guess. That was you, Hamu? Okay, what's your rating, Hamu? What's your rating? 751. Dude, you played a great game. Yeah, man. Yeah. You just need to do, like, you need to play more chess and like, you know, keep up with the puzzles and that kind of stuff. Because, yeah, I feel like you played better than that. Yeah, good game, dude. If the bishop comes to g5, though, you are basically saying you want to take the knight. F3, sorry, LOL. If the bishop comes... Yeah, right. Yeah, no. That's just a whole different line. You play F3, bishop E3, and then G4, H4, you castle, G4, H4, H5, and attack. Guys, 2 hours went by like crazy, but I have got to get some food. I'll be back tonight for a... Oh, I have friend requests, guys. Check out the friend requests. This could be you. Z Matthew 1. I believe I played you. I saw your name. I could barely read it. Z Matthew 1, Blind Buoyant, Rampab, Ollie Whale, Vickery, Flappy Panda, and Walkstar. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. All right? That's what we do here at Charly Sardo Gaming. Freaking love you guys, man. Guys, please hit the like button on the way out, the follow button, like button. Facebook, there's not a lot on Facebook right now, but say goodbye on the way out. It all helps, guys. It all helps the algorithm. The algorithmic scenario, guys. We're going to do a raid for Twitch because I am so close to a goal. I am so close to a goal. Let me see. Raid channel. Okay, I'm shutting Facebook off. Goodbye. And guys, come with me on the raid on Twitch. It's real important. I'm going to tell you why. Thank you, Facebook. Goodbye. The reason it's so important that you... YouTube vertical. Goodbye. See you guys later. And same with YouTube horizontal. Okay, the reason why it's so important, Twitch. Now, all the other streams are off.